Hello nail peeps and welcome back to Decorate Every Nail You Got. This is the Mani by Me box for February. Mine came a little late this month, so I apologize for the tardiness, but let's unbox this baby. Mani by Me. Let's see what's inside. I'm verklempt, you guys. Are these foils? Okay, all right, let's take one thing at a time. Gosh darn it. Let me get this stuff out of here. Okay, put that aside. One thing at a time. So here's the Mani by Me card, and I'm gonna look away. You guys feel free to read. Feel free to have a look. Okay, away with words. You don't need words to express yourself. Create a collage that shows off your personal style with this month's Mani by Me tutorial. As usual, we'll be doing the Mani by Me. Follow the tutorial a little bit later. You guys are welcome to read through though. There's how you do this thing. And then you can certainly follow me or subscribe, and then I will do that tutorial for you later on. These are foils. These are a lot of foils. This is not a little bit of foil. This is a lot of foils. And in different metallic colors. Okay. Wow, this is cool. I'm excited to give these a try, honestly. And like a cool little Maniology box. That's cool. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Let me open her up. I'm kind of excited to try these. So this guy already wants to come out and say hello. I'm not going to pull these out because when you pull them out, I can't ever get them back in right. But I am super excited to try these, and we'll definitely have to, when we do the follow the tutorial, we're definitely going to be trying one of these on a separate design. Okay, so there you go. There's the gift or the item, surprise item that comes with it. Okay, let's have a look at our two plates first. We've got MXM096, and it's just different kind of geometric designs down here. Love, world, visions. Maybe you could do some layering with this. That could be cool. Okay, just different highlights and what are these? Floral types. What's the theme here, I wonder? Are these letters? That's kind of cool. These are letters. Oh, my camera's going a little cattywampus. Those are letters. That's pretty cool. And then you've got just different motifs. Coffee and lips. Arms that are crossed. Oranges. Cactus. Okay, let me go to the next one and see if I can figure out the theme. MXM095. What is this, like an Art Nouveau kind of theme? Feels very, you know, like 90s graffiti kind of theme. Hands with a city below it. That's kind of weird. I don't know what the theme is. I think it's maybe some Art Nouveau. Now I have to actually go reference the card. Daring you to build untethered self-expression. Maximalism is all about surrounding yourself with all the things you love with your own unique style. Layer up with collage-inspired designs. Like pressed flowers. Okay, so like when I was talking about layered stamping. Okay, pressed flowers, clipped typography, Mod-Deco textures. Okay, all right. So not like a theme like they traditionally do, which is kind of cool. I actually appreciate that because sometimes they get too specific about their themes. So like an art style is kind of cool for them to do. All right, well, I'm trying, I'm interested in seeing what that is. And then the tutorial, I think they're doing this one with the butterfly. Okay. All right, I'm into it. Let's see what colors they've chosen for this month. Let me get my scissors over here. I'm not going to open the bottom. Gosh darn it. I'm always trying to open the bottom. Maybe it's, oh no, it has a, I was going to say because it didn't have a sticker on it, but it has a sticker too. Okay, interesting color choices. I love a good green. This one is called Headliner. It's a nice like lime green. And this gray is, what does that say? Front page. Okay, like a newspaper. That's kind of cool. All right, let's do some swatches of this. That's so funny. I'm sure you could hear the confusion in my voice because normally, you know exactly what the theme is. Anyway, Okay, peeps, let's start out with front page. We'll open this guy up. I'll do a little swatchy woo. So I thought it was going to be more like of a taupey brown, but it really is a gray. It's a nice gray. And it looks like it's pretty good coverage, which is great. So there we go. That is our front page color. We'll swatch that on the top in just a minute. Now let's go with the headliner color. Get in here, a nice green. Oh, I feel like the brushes are very, like they splay out on the ends. Like, look at that. I hope that's just a one-off. Let's see if it did that with the gray one. I'm not super happy with that. Sometimes, you know, I feel like maybe they're trying to get, like their bottles have changed a little bit over the last year and they're trying to find the perfect bottle is what I feel like they're trying to do. Let's see this one. Okay, this one looks okay, so I think it might have been a one-off. Yeah, maybe I'll just clip that guy off. Maybe it was just the one. Maybe I'm just going a little crazy. Oh, it's definitely very fat on the ends. Oh, whoops, I hope you can see that. Yeah, okay, so I see that guy. Maybe I'll just clip him off, but it does seem a little bit more fat on the end and a little bit more splayed out. Okay, so maybe it's just this bottle and this brush. Anyway, so it does seem like they've been kind of mixing them up, and I hope that they find their good, you know, their good happy place at some point. I'm going to get the stamping stuff ready, and we're going to stamp these as well. By the way, both of these look pretty good with one coat coverage. I'll do a second coat a little bit later on, just so we can see what it looks like with two coats, but one coat is pretty good for both of these guys, honestly. This time, let's start with the headliner color, the green color to do our stamp with. Do I have a scraper card nearby? Like, come on. Okay, I got it nearby. Let's do this thing. A stamper nearby. Okay. We're going to scrape this baby off. Pick it up, have a look at it, and pop it on. Ew, pretty. Does pretty well over black too, which is kind of awesome. Looks like a very heavy yellow green. So I'm okay with that. It almost looks yellow over black, which is not always a bad thing. That's why I like these Swatch Me stickers, so you can really tell exactly what you're getting into. Okay, on for the next one. A little cleany, little cleany, little cleany. And then I'm going to go in with our front page color. Okay. Pull it through. And we're going to stamp that bad boy right on top. Okay, stamps great over black, stamps great over white. Definitely looks gray. Beautiful color. Easy peasy. And honestly, for that, well, I don't know what they called it, modernism? What'd they call it? Not Art Nouveau, but Mod Deco. I think these are two good colors for that, for a Mod Deco kind of feel. Okay, I will clean this up one more time. We'll get things out of the way, and then I'll show you exactly what was in that box one more time. And maybe we should go ahead and do our second coat on this guy. Okay, so this was the front page color. So when it dries, you could see a little bit of like where maybe it needs a second coat. And I bet you could, if you were diligent, you could get this done in one coat for sure. Okay. There's our front page color. Excuse me. Here's our headliner color. Pretty. That's a good green, actually. I don't think I have a green like this in my collection. I went a little crazy on St. Patty's Day one year and got a multitude of greens, but I'm not sure I have this one. So that was, in the kit, you're going to get your headliner and your front page colors. You're going to get your list that describes exactly what's in it, and you're going to get your tutorial. Come on. Then you're going to get your 2 plates, MXM095 and MXM096. This Mod-Deco, they call it, designs with lots of typography and collage sorts of stuff. And you're going to get your foils, which are kind of amazing. So I'm excited to try this. I'm excited to do the follow the tutorial. So you guys come on back for that a little bit later, and I'll make sure that I get that done soon. So peeps, this is your February 2023 Mani by Me box. If you love Maniology as much as I do, then I would suggest going to their website, maniology.com, grabbing yourself things from their website, putting them in your basket, and getting yourself 10% off with the code GrooveMama. And if you want to follow me on Instagram at GrooveMama, you can do that as well. People, until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got. Bye!